Hey guys, Mikey Swartz here, looking like a total dumbass in the mirror so I can bring you a brand new blog on WHIPBASH. Well, I got another hatchback today. Figured I'd come out here and take a look at it and share it with you guys. Now, Dustin found this thing and he asked me if I'd want to buy it, and I was like, sure, why not? Oh, $400 car. I mean, how can you say no to that? Apparently he said it's got a rod knock or something, so before you go jumping to conclusions and thinking I stole it, it's got 158 on it. That's not bad. Let's see. Oh, it's not going to start. Typical hood popper broke off. Oh, we got cam 2 here trying to get my comments blocked.
I'm not trying to do that, guys.
Well, yeah, you are. That's why you keep hanging around when I'm filming. Pretty cleanly.
Yeah, this thing's nice.
The inside's all right. That's pretty common. Pop the old hatch.
What the?
Ooh, man, they must be brand new. Oh, they are, look. Okay, this is always a bonus. Don't always get these, so that's good to have. Let's see if she's got a spare. Oh, it's got a board, and one of the spares in there.
Do everything have the tire in there?
That's a bonus.
Do everything
I always like to have these. Most cars have a spare tire, yes, except for Mini Coopers. Oh man, those things are solid. Oh, you know, it's not as clean as I hoped, but oh, what was going on there? Someone buffing it. I don't know. This one I might not keep, but we could at least sell it. Gonna need fixed though. Let's see if we can get it started. Really? Really? No jump box? How about jumper cables? Should at least have those, right? Let's see. Okay. Red to negative, black to positive. All right. And we touch these together. Oh no, now I gotta pop this. That's what these are in here for, apparently. I bought so many Hondas where they come with pliers in the door pocket because that's broke off. Oh look, we got the 420 inspection sticker there for the potheads. Okay, oh, what is going on here? Apparently someone didn't want to let the catalytic converter go with it.
Yeah, look at the engine.
Wow,
it's so
you
small.
guys. It's like a $20 cat, probably. Yeah, and that engine's way too small, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to fix that.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put this silver truck's engine.
Yeah.
Yeah, and my bug is there.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, I can put big tires on it. Well, when I'm 12, I can put big tires on it.
Why do you have to wait till you're 12? Why do you gotta wait till you're 12?
Because I'm going to Texas when I'm 12.
Whoa. Oh, it is a knocking. I didn't think I heard it, but now I do. Yeah, she's a knocker. Sounds like it still runs on 4 cylinders though. That's always a good thing. Well, I usually just condemn these engines. We probably got a spare one at the shop.
Mike, I got this thing.
Thanks, bro. Where'd you find that?
I'm back.
Throw it in the car for me, please. Let's go in the garage and check out the old Tacundra. Get that doggy? Once you go faster, dude, you're not going fast enough. All right, well, here we are. Look, a ladder frame. Last episode, we fixed all this rust. I'm sure you saw that, right? Because you guys are dedicated viewers. Something I didn't show was that we cut these brackets off that mounted the transmission. You know, they kind of looked like this before. And they are gone now. We smoothed all that out. I also notched this out a little more. This is for that offset oil pan when that engine slides back. I don't know if it's gonna hit here or not, but I figured just cut it all out, get it out of the way for now, and I'm gonna rebuild some structure and reinforce this too. But for now, I just needed clearance to set the engine in here. Hey, get out of the shot, come on. I am gonna have to flush mount these nuts.
These nuts.
The other idea is just a carriage bolt down through and put the nut on the bottom. One way or the other, we'll figure it out.
These nuts are
Okay, hey, shh. Filming now, okay? I think my next step on this project is bolting the transmission back onto the engine, and we're going to set the whole thing in here and see how it lines up. Drop the cab down over it, make sure everything looks pretty good. Hello?
Hello, this is a call from an inmate at the Dauphin County Detention Facility.
Really?
To hear your payment option, press 0. To refuse this call, hang up or press 1.
Come on, get out of here. Sorry the video is so boring. That's all I got for you right now, but I'm gonna get back to work on this swap right now. Tell them to like, share, and comment.
Like, share, and comment.
We gotta look at the camera when you say it. You gotta look up here.
Like, share, comment.
All right, let's go. Back to work.